Hi guys, and welcome back to another Frozen Adventures with Charlie video. So today I'm gonna review this Blue Bunny mini ice cream bowl, I guess. And the flavor's vanilla caramel crunch. So let's give it a try. Okay, right out of this bag, it looks really good. So the texture looks like bumpy. Like, I don't know what these things are. They're probably just like the things on a Nestle Crunch. Oh, like rice pieces. Okay, so let's eat. Now the taste is actually pretty good. So my honest rate would be a 10 ice creams. So that's it for today's episode. So bye.